Welcome to the Super Gold 60 key charts, signals, and analysis. This is Morris, and I want to begin by looking at the GDX chart, GDXJ chart tonight. And this particular chart, we're looking at a shorter term chart than I normally look at. This is a 60-minute chart. It's going back into early April. And when you look at this, we had the CPI report. And it wasn't a big boom for the miners by any stretch. The markets liked it. The growth side of the market liked it a lot. But when I look at the chart, and let's talk this chart and what's going on, I see nothing negative here. This had been a huge rally. You don't see it earlier in the year. And we've gone into this consolidation mode. And we've moved up to the area of initial resistance. We had taken a little bit of a sidestep. We've got a buy. We put a buy on recently. We've got a stop at 40. But when I look at the volume patterns and everything else, and I particularly look at these charts on a daily basis, I see nothing unhealthy. I am looking for a substantial breakout rally in the days and weeks that lie before us. So GDXJ as a proxy is looking good. Here is another chart that I wanted to highlight tonight, and that is Sand Ridge. Now, this is Sand Ridge Energy, so we've moved from gold stock sector, the GDXJ, intermediate, small cap, to the Sand Ridge Energy. And what we've got here is a value setup situation, a double bottom with a higher right side. I like that. Very heavy volume on leg 1, half the volume on leg 2. That's textbook. Notice the PE on this company, 2. That is substantially undervalued. This stock is set for a charge, in my opinion, right back up to $21 from where we are. A solid 70% move. Sand Ridge looks excellent. Now, this is a little bit different situation because when you buy stocks like this, you're under some key moving averages, you're under some areas of support. But the value, when you look at this, we're accumulating the sector. And when you look at this chart, this is where a lot of the real money is made, buying these companies on the lower end. Then let's move to one of the key growth stocks, and that is Tesla. I believe Tesla is a stock that can be 10 times where it is in the next 2 to 3 years. It's not only a play on electric vehicles, it's a play on energy. And this stock has done this before. It's been a huge winner for our portfolios and for our subscribers in the past. We have a stop loss. We have the stop loss at a break even for us right now at 160. And by the way, when I say that, also just keep in mind that when we say we would break even on this, that's the trading side of the portfolio. We also have a core position, a large core position that is up substantially in this great company. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the special offer this weekend, and that is this service, the Super Gold 60 service. So if you're watching this service as a guest and not a paid subscriber, you have an opportunity. I'll get to that in a moment. I want to say a little bit more about the inflation report, which happened to be a dud for the gold stocks, but the debt ceiling could be huge for the stock market. And if there's an agreement, the NASDAQ stocks in particular could go ballistic. And if not, things crash, gold and maybe crypto goes ballistic. So we're set in a position, a balance to a point that we can take advantage of the market volatility. We own some growth stocks and we own a lot of miners, and we can cover the hottest action at the Super Gold 60, keep you up to date on all of these great opportunities. Now, this service normally sells for $229 for a year, but I've got the debt ceiling special on this weekend, and it's going to be not $229 for 12, but how about $199 for 14 months? To qualify, all you need to do is drop us an email. We'll get you set up with login credentials. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.